Hi, I am Devi Abhirami, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today we are going to have a fun with a degree based activity. There are two activity problems for the students. The first activity problem is a grandfather, two fathers and two sons went to the movie theatre together and everyone bought one ticket each. How many tickets did they buy in total? You have to find how many tickets they have bought for the theatre. Okay. In the next problem, if it takes 6 people 9 hours to build the wall, how long it would take 12 people to build the same wall? Okay. These are the two riddles you have to solve the problem. Who one is ready for the first problem? Who? Oh,
So the given question is a grandfather, two fathers and two sons went to the movie theatre together and everyone bought one ticket each. How many tickets did they buy in total?
Firstly, we will overthink the two fathers and two sons. But the real answer is only 3 members are go to the movie. Because two fathers and one son. Sorry, two sons. So total buy tickets are 3.
How?
So the grandfather is one father
Okay.
and his father and one son. So totally 3 members are go to the movie. Only 3 tickets are buy.
Okay is the right answer because the grandfather is already a father of this father and this son is the father, this father is the son of this father. Okay, so there are two father and one son. Therefore, there are 3 tickets they have bought for the movie theatre. Thank you. Then the next problem. Next problem question is, if it takes 6 people 9 hours to build a wall, how long it would take 12 people to build the same wall? Anyone?
So first we'll multiply 6 into 9.
Okay.
So we get the answer as 54. So here there are 12 people. So 54 divided by 12 is 4.5. So the answer is 4.5.
So D is not the answer. Could anyone? Ready? Sorry, it was a nice try, but it is not the answer for this problem. Anyone? No idea. So just read the question, okay? If it takes 6 people 9 hours to build a wall, how long it would take 12 people to build the same wall? What is the same wall? Already it was built. Then that is not necessary to build again. So the answer is none of the person will build the same wall. Okay? Thank you guys for explaining both the activities. Now I will explain once again. Today our activity problems, first problem is a grandfather, two father and two sons went to the movie theatre together and everyone bought one ticket each. How many tickets did they buy in total? Okay? This is not a calculation part, this is just a logical question. That is, there are two fathers, which means the father of the father, the grandfather, father and the son, which indicates the 3 people. So they have asked the question, how many tickets did they buy? So totally there are 3 persons. So the answer is 3. Okay, they will buy 3 tickets for this question. And my second problem is, if it takes 6 people 9 hours to build a wall, how long it would take 12 people to build the same wall? In logically we will think the mathematical calculation how you did. Okay, we will go for the calculation only, but you have to learn the problem logically. In this, there is only one logic: the same wall. The same wall indicates that the wall is already built, so it need not to be built again. So the answer is none of the person will build the same. So the answer is none. This is how we have to read the problem once again to solve the problem. Not directly we have to solve the problem, solution time. Okay, thank you.